Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to my online class. I am Jinnatun Nisa, lecturer, Department of Home Science, Milestone College. I hope all of you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah.
Today we are going to discuss on Chapter 13, Preparing and Serving of Food, Lesson 1, Menu Planning. After this class, we will be able to know about these topics: food serving, menu planning, menu according to occasion, menu according to age, amount of one serving. Preparing and serving of food. Meal is planned to meet the daily requirements of food and nutrients of our family. Foods must be prepared properly to make the plan a success. There is a specific process of presenting foods that makes them more lucrative. This method is known as food serving. To make foods tasty and have the best out of them, one must cook and serve foods following scientific ways. Here is this picture. We can see that how to serve food. Menu planning. To satisfy hunger is not the only purpose of having foods. The main purpose is to get the best out of foods to keep one active, fill up the decades, keep the development process going and prevent disease. For that reason, we need a balanced diet that is rich in necessary foods. A balanced and nutritious diet can give us required energy in every step of life and keep us healthy. That is why food planning should be done according to age, child, adolescent, old, physical activities, etc. One of the ways of planning foods is preparing a menu. Menu planning is needed not only is our daily meals but also is preparing complementary feed for children, therapeutic diet in ceremonies like wedding or birthday parties, entertaining guests at home, etc. Different food related matters are taken into consideration while planning a menu. Menu planning thus means preparing a chart of foods. A predefined written chart of foods to be served is known as menu. Menu planning helps us to make our diets balanced, attractive, and nutritious. Here is this picture. We can see that how menu planning is done in restaurant. Now we are going to know the points to remember while planning a menu: age, labor, income, weather and season, gender, occasion, creating variations, amount of one serving. Age. People of different ages make up a family. The requirement of food is different at every age. Milk is needed by kids. On the other hand, the old and adult need vitamin-enriched food. Foods rich in calories and protein are needed more by pregnant and lactating mothers than the normal mothers. Liver. The need of calorie is affected by the types of liver. So the rate of physical activity of all the family members should be kept in mind while coordinating foods rich in calories. etc. People who go for hard work must have foods rich in carbohydrate and fat. Less carbohydrate and fat should be taken by people who do less activity or do intellectual works, or by older people who do less physical activities. The food demand according to age is different. The demand of food also depends on how much a person works. In this picture, the person are doing hard work. So in their food menu, carbohydrate and fat foods should be included. Income. To include healthy foods in a menu depends largely on the budget. A whole month's meals are managed by adjusting with the restricted income of the family. It is logical to plan a menu of balanced diet including foods from inexpensive sources. We cannot curtail the necessary nutrients of a balanced diet to make it cheap. So there should be coordination of expensive foods and inexpensive but at the same time healthy item of food. Weather and season. There are abundance of seasonal fruits and vegetables in our country. These are nutritious, tasty and easily available. Including seasonal foods in menu brings a variation in tasty and reduces the price of foods. Gender. There is a marked difference between the requirements of foods of boys and girls. Girls carry less volume, weight and muscles in their bodies than boys. For this reason, girls require not as much of calorie and other nutrients as boys. Occasions. A daily food list should be made according to the number of family members, income of the family, choice of foods, etc. Menu is an important factor in any kind of occasions, no matter how small or big it is. This is because it provides us with a chance to change the ordinary daily food list. We can have different menus for different occasions such as wedding ceremony, birthday party, milad, Eid, etc. Creating variations. The menu can be made an attractive one by including foods of various colors, shapes, types, and cooking methods. All the white or same colored foods in a menu can make it dull. The same way, all the soft or dry foods must not be included in the same menu at the same time. Foods of different color: tomato, carrot, banana, pea, milk, yogurt, red pillow, etc. Foods of different shapes: shingara, sandwich, bread, cake, nimki, etc. Foods of different types: soup, kheer, custard, pudding, puppet, chips, etc. Now we are going to know according to amount of one serving. The total amount of food included in the menu depends on how many people are going to have them. Every food included in the menu should be served to everyone, at least at one serving, etc. 1 serving of cooked spinach, 1/3 cup. In the screen, we can see two occasions. One is birthday and second one is marriage. The menu is set according to the occasions. For participating my class attentively and carefully. Thanks to all of you.